How to set whether notifications will appear on the lock screen or don't show notifications on the lock screen for your Oppo Reno 5 phone. And let's get started. So first we want to go into the main settings, and to do this we can always use the control center, pull it down once, tap on the settings gear icon here, and next up, we're going to go into where it says notifications and status bar. So tap on that one time. And while you are there, you want to select where it says manage notifications. Tap on that once and you'll see where it says lock screen notifications. When you tap on that, this gives you three options. One, to display title and body of that incoming notification, or you can display simply just the title of that notification, or don't show anything at all. So if you don't want to show anything at all on your lock screen in terms of notifications, go ahead and toggle the last option. But with all that said and done, you have one more thing that may help you out if you are trying to keep it on a low. So you want to go to where it says more and just be sure that this option here is off, because when this option here is on where it says wake screen when a notification is received, what this does is that it will wake up your phone while it's on the lock screen to state that you just received a new notification. So if you're trying to prevent anything from showing on your lock screen in terms of a new notification, then you might want to make sure that this is off for your Oppo phone. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Do hit that like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.